In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the upper bumper bracket on your Subaru Outback. This will be located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a pair of clip removal pliers, remove the 6 clips for the top of the grille. Remove the 2 plastic clips on either side on the top of the bumper. Up inside the wheel well, you're going to find a plastic clip. Go ahead and remove the clip. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the 7 clips on the bottom of the bumper. There's one tucked up in here. Grab the corner of the bumper and pull straight out. Unclip the bumper from the bumper bracket. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the front bumper straight forward. If you have fog lights, we're going to disconnect those now. There's going to be a tab right on the back. Push on that and remove the connector. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the bumper. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 screws on the outside. Using a trim removal tool, we're going to pop the clip out of the side of the bracket. Remove the 2 10mm in the front. There's one more 10mm bolt under the bracket. Pull the bracket to the outside and then straight forward and remove the bracket. Install the bracket. Install the plastic clip. Lock it down. Install the 2 bolts. Install the top bolt. Install the 2 bolts in the front. And one more under the headlight. Grab the bumper, get it ready to install. Install the fog light connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, push on it, make sure it's locked on. Do the same thing on the other side. Pick one corner and get it started. Wrap the bumper around. Get it seated in the front. Pull it towards the back. And snap it into place. Install the clip into the side of the wheel well. Tuck the inner fender liner into the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the clips into the bottom of the bumper. There's one hiding right up here. Install all of the clips through the bumper and the top grille.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.